Caught in the dance. Understanding the phrase. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're diving into an interesting phrase, caught in the dance. This phrase isn't just about dancing. It carries a deeper meaning that we'll explore together. Stay tuned to discover how this phrase can be used in different contexts to enrich your English communication skills. Caught in the dance is a metaphorical expression that describes a situation where someone is involved in an ongoing series of events or activities, often without a clear way to stop or exit. It's like being part of a dance that keeps going, where the rhythms and steps represent the unfolding events or circumstances in one's life. This phrase can be used in various contexts, from personal relationships to professional situations. Here are a few examples to illustrate its use. In personal relationships, ever since they met, they've been caught in the dance of love, unable to escape the joy and challenges it brings. In work or career, joining this project felt like being caught in the dance of endless tasks and deadlines, each step leading to another. Understanding the context is crucial when using or interpreting caught in the dance. The phrase can have positive connotations, like being passionately involved in an activity you love, or negative ones, like feeling trapped in a cycle of events you wish to escape. To use caught in the dance effectively in your communication, make sure the context is clear to your listener or reader. Use it to add depth or a poetic touch to your storytelling. Consider your audience's familiarity with metaphorical language to ensure your message is understood. Caught in the dance is a beautiful, metaphorical phrase that can add richness to your English communication. Whether you're sharing stories, expressing feelings, or painting pictures with words, this phrase can help convey the complexity of being involved in ongoing situations. We hope this video has given you a deeper understanding of caught in the dance and how to use it. Thank you for watching, and happy learning!